Room tour, Vincent 411. Quick show of the bathroom. Right, so that's it. Bit of a small bath, but it's really nice. Tea, coffee machine, behind the curtain, ironing board, iron, and a fridge, and a safe. TV, already on with my cam, and I've not seen these before, actually. And really comfy bed. Couple of nice touches was the coffee machine. And actually, we haven't got any more, but in the fridge, you actually left a couple of glasses in the fridge. So they were cold when you took them out. Good if you want to put a wine or cold drink in. We filled the fridge up with our little bits as well. Okay. Just my quick thoughts on the bathroom at Vincent. It's a really nice bathroom. You get your shower gel, shampoo and some kind of conditioner. The only thing I'd say about this is there's a little step here that you have to step up on, and then actually getting out as well, because I have tried it. It's alright because I'm quite, mobility wise I'm okay, but I can imagine somebody a bit older or somebody with not so great mobility might struggle, so you'd probably just want to watch out for. Maybe ask for an accessible room. I don't know what all the rooms are like. But yeah, other than that, it's a really nice bathroom. It's a little bit messy since we've been in, but other than that, yeah.